This is a quick video tutorial showing you how you can use Civils.ai to read off areas from site layout drawings and floor plan layouts. So you'll see here on the left, we've already finished processing this PDF drawing, and you have the breakdown of the different areas over here on the left. I can basically toggle these on and off. So when Civils.ai does any kind of measuring or annotating, you'll see that we actually annotate on the drawing exactly where this has come from. So you can cross-check for yourself and see exactly how we've done the measuring. These can be toggled on and off with these display buttons. And you'll see here on the left the measurement which has actually been taken. So in this case, these are areas which have been read off of the drawing. Once the processing's finished, I can actually download this as an Excel file or the annotated PDF. So I can work more with these quantities and combine them with cost data or group them in different ways. Civils.ai handles all of the scaling, so we can read imperial and also metric, and we don't need to have a scale given on the drawing. We can use dimensions. We actually prioritize using the dimensions for scaling. Basically, once this is run, you can see here up at the top, this is the prompt which I used. So this is what I typed in just in natural language, typing in measure and categorize the building footprints, car park, concrete hard standing areas, page 6. And this preferences memory is applied across all of the drawing measurements and takeoffs that you do. So this can be your measurement standards, which makes typing in this prompt a little bit easier. We remember things about your preferences. And if you notice something that you're not happy with, you can add comments. You can basically click this resubmit, request resubmission, and then you can type in here exactly what you want, what your comments are. So maybe you want another area measuring or something being broken down more. You can type that in here and click submit. So the way you actually run this is quite simple. So I've uploaded this as a pack of drawings. So there's like 65 drawings in here. And the way I did that was within Civils.ai, you basically create a project. So you click this create project button up here. And then within the project, once that's set up, you just click this extract quantities from CAD, and then you upload your PDF here and you type in the prompt. So this would be the prompt you want it to follow. So measure the site layout areas, for example. You can type in here however much you need. And then this is the output name. So I could type in here site layout areas. And then my uploaded drawings would come into here, and I just click run. And then processing starts. And then once the processing is finished, you get an email notification, and you can open up the results just by clicking the row. And that's it. It's as simple as that.